Yo, what is up, YouTube? We're back at it again. I'm currently at Andy's house. We're about to put in some new Halo projector headlights for my car. Andy's testing out my quick release steering wheel. I'm probably gonna help him put it in one day. Probably next week before I leave to college the Wednesday. But yeah, we're gonna get to it, and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, what is up, YouTube? Andy's pulling out the Halo projector headlights.
Man, this is dope.
Straight LED. Andy, can you show them the front? Here we got the Halos, still in the wrap.
Look at them bitches. Sick, crisp, no cracks. Actually, Tony, I see a crack. Just kidding.
Really? Oh, don't do that. All right, we're gonna go ahead and jack up the car, take off the bumper, and I'll show you guys what's up. All right, so first step, the Asian way, we don't got a jack, so we pulled it out from the hill. So we're gonna go underneath, take off the bumper. Andy's taking out the side signal lights right now. He's having a little bit of trouble, but we're gonna cut the zip ties and get to work. We out here. All right, YouTube. Kenny's cutting my zip ties. We just got the top panel off. We're about to go underneath. Is that a 10mm?
I think so.
How'd you know?
Gotta find out. I don't know. Shit.
Andy's unbolting my headlights.
3/8, but it fits.
We're about to go underneath.
That means your car ain't
I believe there are 4 screws and 4 clips
Actually,
underneath.
hand tightened. What the
So
fuck?
we're gonna take it off and see how things go.
Oh, this is.
All right, we're in the process of taking out the bumper.
God damn.
Weight reduction, gang.
Dude, just.
We're just waiting for Kenny to take off his side.
10
the other
minutes later.
bro.
Come on!
The other side was zip tied.
Why?
This side was bolted in.
But what the?
Ooh. Is it coming out at least?
No, not even close.
Hey, what kind of camera is this?
It's a TI Rebel 3.
T3i.
T3i. This is what John has, isn't it? Or used to have?
I don't remember. That's what Tommy has.
No, Tommy has
It's the
T6.
6. Yeah.
Oh my!
Gangsta. Oh, is it?
Because I got the same shit.
What?
It was for the lip.
Is it about to rain on me?
Oh.
I felt little drops. I think.
Yo.
I always wanted to be on RSX.
All right, so we just got it out. Took quite a bit. I'm probably gonna zip tie everything back in because everything fell out.
Right here.
My hands are super dirty.
Want to be an RSX?
All right, so we're gonna get back once we zip tie everything, and then we should get started on taking out the headlights. We out here. All right, so we out here.
Jesus
Andy's
Christ.
taking out the side of the headlights. My card is running out of memory, so hopefully we get through this video. But we're in the process of taking it out. We're running through some problems, but it's gonna work, and we'll get back to you. All right, it's currently raining again, but we just got out the headlights. It's basically just plug and play. We're gonna plug in the LEDs to that little port right there, and it should be up. We took off the frames for the headlights, so we're gonna bolt those on to the new ones, and then we should be set. Let's get it. YouTube, what is up? We're back at it again. Race car life. It's like we're about to head out. We're about to go hit up a drink shop real quick and pick up my LEDs. I just realized that the lights that come with this are just regular halogens, which are pretty yellow. So we're gonna switch them out. We're gonna go in Andy's riced out Lexus Supreme. But yeah, we're gonna head out, go home, pick it up. I need to pick up my old SD chip too, cause I'm running out of thing. But let's get it. We out here. What is up, YouTube? We just went back to my house. Got the LEDs. I also picked up my tow hook and my Sparkle quick release. If we have time, we'll switch it out today. Kenny in the back, he's trying the McDonald's Big Mac sriracha sauce. Is it fire?
It's ass.
Thanks. All right. So we're gonna go back to Andy's house. Probably finish the headlights. It shouldn't take that long. I'm glad that it stopped raining. So Let's get it. We out here. Back to the house.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Andy. What's up? So, this is officially my vlog. I'm just kidding. But, we made it back to my house. As you can see, I took over my boy's job. Because he's slacking. But we over here, and he's trying to... I don't know what he's trying to do anymore.
So this is the high beam. This is the low beam, right?
I guess.
This is the high beam. This is the high beam.
Has to be.
It don't matter. Back to your boy. It's your boy here again.
Why don't you just burn my light bulbs?
Garbage. Not garbage.
Ooh.
Damn, that's gangster.
Feel it.
Oh, yeah, it has its own fan. Look at this. It has its own fan so it doesn't burn out. This is bright, bro. That is lit.
Gangster.
Hey, are yours LEDs?
No,
Oh my god.
because I'm waiting for the halos to come in.
Dude, oh, that is tight.
That's it.
Dang.
Oh.
What do you guys
That is
think?
so bright,
Leave a
bro.
comment down below
They're high beams?
how bright those are. Because those are bright
It's,
shit. Especially if you see it in person.
black and then red. That was sick.
Alright, I'm
Wait,
back
who all
YouTube.
watched
Sorry,
it?
cut off real quick because man, lighting sucks in here. But
'Cause I know I watch it. I can
SD card got full. First world problems.
But I watch it when I'm able to. Because sometimes I can't.
Do you got the little screwdriver? Like a tiny one?
Probably do. Gangsta. Gangsta. Oh, shit. Man, this card's tight as fuck.
Like that same size, but it's.
This needs to go. Did you know? Tony sits on this. And he sits on this too. But he hella sits on this. Like it wigs all. Like wiggling. Who got that big D? Who got that big D? It's like, I'm just kidding. Gangsta. What happened? You got it out?
Yeah.
Your boy got it out.
So we just took out the halogen light. We don't mess with that yellow. So we're putting in the 6,000, the 6,000K watt light, and it should be a pretty stellar fitment. Yep, fits pretty good. We didn't have to unbolt it actually. The bolt is just for the clip. Dude, that looks sick. Hopefully it fits though. With this thing.
I'm just scared it might pop out. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah.
How could that shit be yellow? Look how clear it is.
But it looks yellow though.
We're just kicking it at Andy's house right now.
We're still at it. Still at it.
Andy
So the-
Still putting it.
So the frame isn't
And
fitting, so I gotta. I think I just gotta screw this into the fender, and the headlight will only have one bolt. onto the
maybe.
car. Hopefully it's safe.
To be honest, I'll be damn honest. We don't know what the fuck we're doing. Like, don't know what we're doing. See my car?
Fuck it.
Everything that I've done on this thing,
Doesn't judge.
still don't know what I'm doing on that. But
Oh my.
put a comment down below, like this video, if you think my boy Tony can get this shit done.
Okay,
'Cause if you think he can do it, shout outs to you.
So I don't know why I'm using a wrench for this.
The American flag one, because we ain't you, so you don't get shot. Alright.
You guys know Tony doesn't have a nipple.
Calvin
What
wants
you-
to talk to you.
This is Tony putting on his headlights
2K,
to make
what
sure
up?
they work.
So I'm gonna switch this out to red
is it
LED.
bad? Is
Hopefully
your
I don't
face
get pulled
bad, though?
over because my friend has it blue and he said it interferes with like the cop sirens and stuff like that. Well, I'm gonna change this orange one to red and then see if it looks sick.
Cause why the fuck not?
JDN.
Well, it's up to you. If we could throw on another movie, we can do whatever. Really.
Oh, we gotta get the other one.
First person point of view.
Okay, sounds good. Sounds good.
Here, you wanna hold it real quick? I forgot to get
Yeah,
the other
my
light.
Alright, so we're having the biggest struggle with this bitch. I'm just kidding. We got it on.
Alright, guys, we are back. Bitch, is still raining. Still raining. It's actually got more wet.
Here, I'll be back.
But update on the headlights.
My dude left his freaking lights off. Oh yeah, she will get there.
Headlights are not on yet. This is actually taking a long time. Basically, we went to go to Walmart. Not sponsoring Walmart, but thank you, Walmart, for coming in clutch with the adapters. Basically, to turn on the halo lights. We're gonna need those. Tony hard at work.
Oh,
Gangster.
that's
Also,
what I forgot to pick up. Do you have wires?
no.
Just like regular wires?
No.
Let's go get them.
And then Calvin came in.
Let's go.
And now I think we might have to go back to Walmart.
Nah.
Also, Calvin's whip over there.
Yeah, I think I was.
Nope, not focusing. Whatevs. Not focusing. But
Again?
it's a BMW.
I forgot to get wires, Kenny. Wires?
Tony forgot wires.
Ah. I might just twist them together though. What up, YouTube? We just got back. We put in the first light, wired the halos all through right here. They're looking pretty clean. Thoughts?
And we started around like 3,
Yeah, only
and it's 9:19.
only a 6-hour project. It's dark out again.
I show him the wires.
Yeah, apparently Walmart only sold like 40-foot wires, so I had to like straight up cop 40 feet of wire. So I won't focus, but yeah, let's get it.
Alright, guys. 8 hours in to the project.
I didn't need high beams.
Into the project. Your boy Tony, your boy Kenny. Calvin already left, but shout outs to you, Calvin. We got them hoes in. After 8 hours. Tony, how you feel, bro?
Pretty chill. I mean, it took a while, but like.
But I think he got the hang of it. So next time, stay tuned. We'll be doing mine next. Stay effing tuned. Alright? And then next video we won't cuss as much. I'm sorry for the profanity.
Shout out to Eliminate.
Shout outs to Eliminate. Yo, notice us, guys. We're trying to be you guys. But it starts with 3 people. And one of our homies lost his car, but that's another story. Cut that out.
You got to watch it. R.I.P. John.
John, we hope you get back on your feet. Get that Honda Civic or whatever you're getting. Twin with Kenny. But we did it, boys.
Honda, dude, Honda crew.
No, I have a Lexus. Fuck off.
Hey, Honda crew.
Dude, put Honda emblems on it.
Nah,
Down the Honda
I'm gonna join. I'm gonna join Simply Fresh with that GS. You hear that, Simply Fresh? Notice me too, okay? I'll be out here with you know, my whip. Just kidding. It's all about his whip today. So
always
Tony,
about
are you ready to do mine?
Yeah, easy.
He says he's ready. He said easy.
Know what the fuck it
Let's go. Need some sparkles. I'm just kidding. I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Hey, you don't worry that.
Sorry,
that
you got
Walmart
me.
bag? I'll just use this one.
Let us know how you think in the description below.
We still need to put on the bumper.
Peace out.
No, hold on. We still need to put on the
We
bumper.
can come back because the battery's dying.
You guys really want to see the bumper? Fine. Come on, I really wanted to say bye.
Pause it.
What is up, YouTube? We're back at it again after 7 to 8 hours of work. We finally finished the headlights. We're about to show the review. We're about to peel off the styrofoam to see how they look. Go ahead, gentlemen. Oh, halo projector headlights, brand new. And you want to show them what they look like?
Got you guys.
That looks clean. Oh, that's so bright. It's kind of hard to see it, but these are the halos with the red parking light. Ooh. Alright, pretty soon we got my buddy Andy's car coming up. He's put out the car because it's pretty late right now, but thanks for tuning in. In the back, while I was figuring out the wiring, Kenny also got the tow hook put in. I was going to make it its own individual video, but it's pretty self-explanatory. It's just 2 bolts, but yeah, I mean, that looks pretty clean to me. Ken did a nice job. But thanks everyone for tuning in again. This is Tony TV, and we out. Until next time, peace.